Hey, Roger here. Now, in this video, I'm going to be looking at food preservation. I'm going to be looking at a method that we can use to preserve food, especially with what is happening with some countries being shut down completely and some regions of some countries are on the lockdown. All right. Now, to freeze the items is a form of preserving the food for later. All right. So it will of course stop them from deteriorating. To freeze, what you'll need is a plastic bag, and it is recommended that after you put the items in the bag to remove as much air as possible from the bag. So what you're looking at here is ackee, and this is sorrel, and these are two very common things that, especially here in Jamaica, we tend to freeze for later use. And for those persons who live overseas, you find too that when they come to Jamaica to visit, they'll stock up on a lot of these stuff to take back to the country in which they're residing. Bread, right? As I mentioned, just about anything can be stored in the freezer. And your freezer, it may be a chest freezer, it may be the freezer part of your standing fridge. All right, so bread. These are cucumbers. And for like the cucumber, when it is defrosted, it's going to be soggy. So the purpose here is really to use these to make drinks. Peeled green bananas. Now, you may not have any banana plants at home that has bananas on them. All right. So when you go to the market, and especially as I mentioned before, what is happening to preserve the banana, okay, that if you were to keep them outside of the refrigerator, even in the lower part, they will deteriorate. Right. So you can peel them, package them in plastic bags, and store them in the freezer. And what's this? This is thyme, Scotch bonnet peppers. So just about anything can be stored in the freezer. And as I mentioned before, it is a way of preserving the food for later. All right, especially with what is happening. So when you go to the market, you go to the supermarket, you buy some of these items. They are available. They are in good supply. Stock up on them. Providing you have enough space in your freezer, then you can always store them for later use. All right, hope you found this video informative. Until next time, take care.